Hello guys, today I'll show you some of my R&D age problem in Nuke while you are going to do the color correction in your CG render. So now you can see that we do have a render and we do have an ID path. So if I check shuffle copy node and if I can create a channel RGB Matte, and if I go to that channel, we can see that we do have that channel ready for us. And now we can press G key for grade node and we can mask the red channel and make the multiply down. Once you do that, you can see that the age issue is coming. So if I do this and this for every single channel, you'll get a huge problem with these ages. Keep in mind that we do have ages here, but this has two kind of edges. One is outer edge and one is inner edge. The outer edge problem can be solved by this unpremult node. Now you can see that by this unpremult node we can easily solve that issue of your outer edge, but the inner edge is not solving by this process. So this process is not useful for your inner edges. So we have to make a different treatment for this case. We need to make holdouts. So first of all, we need to take shuffle and we can segregate every single channel of your ID path. So we do have three channels here. One is red, green and blue. So separate them all. And you can see that we do have all the channels separated for us. And just make a copy alpha node. And you can copy the alpha there. And you can remodel this. So we have got this piece from your render. So you can do the same for the rest. So we have beautifully done our holdout, and you can have this one for your blue. So that means that we have all the pieces we have and we have separated them. And what we need to do that we need to merge them to make this look like our beauty render. Though it is looking like the beauty render, but it's not. We do have some problems still there. If I zoom this, you can see that the edge is not going away. But it's a very easy fix I have found for this case, that this is merge and it is in over operation. just make this plus will fix the issue dramatically. And same thing for every single merge node you'll be having in this script. So you can come here and you can see the nasty edges and just make it plus. Cool. Now you can see we need to think about your outer edge and we need to go to your project settings and make this HD, and we can take constant and make this a bit white kind of gray white gray constant. Now you can see that we have the edge issues. Now this outer edge issue can be solved by that node unpremult. Cool. So now you can see that we have this outer edge problem is solved and inner edge problem is solved. Now this method is very cool and proper. If I go for any gamma correction in this case and make them multiply 0, so we don't have any kind of edge issue coming up. Now one thing is this, that this is RGB pass. What if we can use CMYK pass? So if I have everything, every single node attached to this, I can see it is not happening because of you need to convert this into RGB, because we have segregated the channels, that is red, green, blue. So what I have to do, we have to take this CMYK expression to convert this. So this is a simple CMYK expression, you have to put it, and this expression has been created by my friend Chetal. So you can see if I put it here, instantly that your RGB, your CMYK pass converted into RGB. But the problem is, if we zoom this, we have some problem, edge problem. But if I see this one, there is no edge problem, inside edge problem. But that's not a problem with me, because I do have the fix here. You can see we do have unpremult and we have plus. Both the thing will won't work in this situation when you are dealing with your CMYK pass. So first of all, you need to make this over. And your unpremult will not do the good job here. You need to take just alpha copy node and copy the alpha here. And now you can see that we do have the problem, still it is not going away. That's because we need to introduce a new node that's called level set, and put it right here, Alt K, and you have to put it above your premult node. And what I have to do is to just create a matte and dilate is 1, will fix all of the issues you have here with your edges or outer, inner, every edge. So when you are dealing with the CMYK pass, you need to use this method. Or else, this method is universal, you can say. If I take this a red, green, blue pass also, then also it will work. Or else you can use that earlier one that I have showed you, like the plus multiplication. So this is how you can make this possible and your edge problem is gone. So hope you have liked it. Thanks a lot for watching.